into it. It's time to customize our phones for Christmas and the holiday season that's coming up. I am literally so excited. Obviously, I have my Christmas pajamas on, Christmas coffee. We've got a white peppermint mocha here, and I even have a Christmas phone case that I found at Target the other day, so I'm excited. It's going to be awesome. So if you guys want to follow along and decorate your phones too, feel free, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first things first, it's time to say goodbye to fall and hello to Christmas with the case. So taking off this one, we'll retire her for a little bit, which technically this one could be made into Christmas because you can just get different inserts and change it out, but I have something exciting. I've been dying to try this out, so we're gonna put this on. Basically what it is there's this case. This is not sponsored at all, by the way. I just saw this at the Target aisle and I can't believe I almost walked past it because there was somebody else in front of the display. I didn't want to mess up her vibe she had going on. But basically you get the case and there's these little spots and they had a bunch of different charms that you could choose from, all sorts of them. There were like travel themed ones, like camera ones. They were adorable. So I picked these ones just because they're a little more neutral and I liked all three of the ones in the pack. I loved the one with the camera, but also had like a bucket of popcorn and film reel. So I was like, okay, I think I like all of them out of this whole pack. Then, if that's not enough for you, you can also get a little phone strap that you can customize also with charms because they're blank ones, or you can buy some that already had charms on them, which is what I chose. And this will hook right onto the phone as well. So let's go ahead and unbox all this and set it up because I'm so excited. It's so cute. Okay. Gosh. Okay, so we have the option to put this like in the phone case if you want it to hang out the bottom like that. I'm gonna take that off. Little purse moment. Okay, I think I'm going to take the different approach. Put them both at the bottom so it kind of hangs there like that. And then put some charms at the top. Okay, I want you and you. All right, let's see how it looks. Okay, we got one. Okay. Okay, how adorable. I think I'm going to leave it like this for now. All right, time to try out the phone then. Okay, this turned out absolutely perfect. Something I didn't realize was the bow almost acts like a nice little thing for your fingers to hold, which is great. But oh my gosh, so cute. I'm literally obsessed, and I love how you can customize it for whatever you want. But now that we have the cutest case on, it's time to customize the actual insides of my phone. Because right now the insides of fall are they're not matching up with this, what we've got going on. So let's go ahead and start customizing. All right, let's go ahead and change the lock screen first. So we are gonna press down and hold to enter the customization part. We're gonna just swipe over and start a new one. So I downloaded a bunch of photos from Pinterest. I have them all pinned to my iOS 18 board, but I think I'm gonna do this like kind of out of focus Christmas tree. I think it's really fun. The theme I'm going to go for this time is like a vintage Christmas. In the past, I've done like the cute white and pink ballerina Christmas, but this year I'm gonna go vintage Christmas, especially since this is our case. I mean, this is screaming just Christmas, vintage, bows, the whole thing. So I'm gonna try it with this first. Let's change up some of this action we've got going on. Maybe that. I don't know. Go with thick. Ooh, I kind of like it, the translucent. But let's see if we pick a color, what it looks like first. The deep red is also kind of pretty. Kind of matches the case, so let's see what that looks like. We're gonna add some widgets. I like Spotify and the weather, and oh my gosh, I didn't even look to see if there was an ice cream widget, but I'm going to go ahead and say a circular widget because I know there's probably gonna be one. We'll have to go in and edit that later though. Okay, then at the bottom we have the flashlight and the camera. I think I'm gonna leave those as my controls as well. So this will be my lock screen. We'll click add, then we're gonna click customize home screen. I'm also gonna choose a photo for this. And here I have the bookshelf. It's back. It's not leaving for now. So for fall, I had a little fall themed bookshelf, and the same creator on Threads has one for Christmas. So I'm obsessed. If you can't tell, it's also kind of Taylor Swift themed, and I'm obsessed with it. If you're not into that, definitely just look up like Christmas bookshelf wallpaper on Pinterest, and maybe some other ones will come up. I'm obsessed. I got off Threads, so I will link that below. If you guys want this exact one, I'll link that creator. It's so stinking cute. Okay, we're just gonna click done because we don't need to mess with it much. Done. Okay. So here we go, heading in. Now we need to change out our widgets, obviously, and do, oh my gosh, all the color. I'm not used to having color again on my apps since I've had all of them tinted for so long. So to first mess with that before we go any farther, we're going to press down and hold to edit our home screen. We're gonna go click edit and then customize. Here we have our options for everything. I'm going to go ahead and click tinted. Then we have to click the sun to be able to bring it back out of whatever dark hole it just went into. And then I like to make them large to actually fit onto the bookshelf. And then I'm gonna click the little eyedropper in the right, and I'm gonna pick a color. Might take a few tries to find one we like. Oh, that one is nice, that book. Let's try a green into that. Oh, that's not green. Make a darker green. Okay, what about like, I don't think, oh gosh, that's not Christmas. What about this green? Why is it like bright red? Okay, let's try this book. Now it's like orange. The brown, the brown does match the bookcase, but I was hoping that we could get like a nice red. Okay, I don't mind that. Okay. There we have our icon tinted. Now it's time to do the widgets, and my little hack for easily switching out widgets is literally you just click on whatever widget you want to do, because then it's going to open up Widgetsmith, and then you're going to look and find the photo that you just clicked on. You're going to click on it, and then you'll go over to photo, and then you just switch it out by just clicking photos again, and then you can choose. So I downloaded a bunch of cute little, like I said, vintage Christmas vibes. I think I'm going to try this Santa. And then this is the other widget I know, it's this autumn one. I'm going to click photos and then switch it over to a little quote. So let's see how that looks. Cute. Okay, then I have this longer one, which we need to go and search for. This one, photo, photos. Maybe this little street light view. Can adjust it. Okay, cute, save. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it's so Christmassy. Okay, that's so fun. I think I might add one more to the top right, like another smaller one, just because I love Taylor Swift, but I don't really need her framed. And like this widget over here is hiding it, it's hiding that, but I don't need her walking through the forest with her Evermore coat on in my lock screen. So let's head to Widgetsmith. We're gonna make it small number 8. We're gonna click photo, photos, and let's do gingerbread. Okay, now we need to go to our home screen. We're gonna select one to edit home screen. We'll click edit, add widgets, and then you're gonna find Widgetsmith, scroll down, then click add widget, and it's gonna choose one randomly, but you're gonna select it and choose, we just changed small number 8. Remember that, okay? Remember whichever one you chose. So cute! Christmas is here on my phone. Okay, now I wanted to head into iScreen and see what other types of widgets they might have, or they have really cute little lock screen widgets. See, this is what I was looking for. That gingerbread man is perfect. Or the candy cane. Okay, let's try out the gingerbread. I don't need the Christmas tree. I like those. Okay, it's gonna make us watch an ad. I'm gonna do it because I think that's worth it. Okay, now those are saved. We're gonna head back to our lock screen and add those. Okay, thought I would give you the tutorial from here this way. So we will press and hold to enter the customization part. We'll click customize, and then we're just going to select the lock screen. From here, we're going to tap up into the widgets section, and then you see iScreen right here. We'll click that. You obviously have to have the app downloaded to do this. Sorry, I didn't even mention that. Then we're going to click circular widget, and I'm gonna try and add 2 and see what happens. We're going to select it, and then from here we can choose. There's my little candy cane and my gingerbread man. So first I'll do the candy cane, and then on this one, I'll do the gingerbread man. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh, there they go. They're so fun. They're kind of hard to see, but at least I know they're. I think I might move one over here. Let's do some rearranging. Okay. Aw, precious. I love it. Okay, well, let me give you guys a full tour now of my phone now that we've customized it for Christmas. Look at my cute little charms. Oh, it's stunning. Okay, well, there's the outside. Now here's my lock screen, my pretty tree, my little gingerbread man, my candy cane. Okay, then we head in, and here is my home screen, my pretty little bookcase, and then my cute widgets over here. Very vintage Christmas of me. And with that, I am obsessed. I also love that these like kind of jingle against each other. It's like little jingle bells. How stinking cute. But now I'm about to go and decorate our house for Christmas. That vlog is coming on Sunday of me shopping and decorating for Christmas. So subscribe and stick around for that. I'm so excited. I do these types of little decorating your phone videos all the time. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out. Comment a Christmas tree emoji if you made it all the way to the end, because we're getting into the Christmas spirit. Remember, details for the case, the wallpapers, everything will be linked below. And that's all. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!